Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Milwaukee M12 charger not working, no light, fuse and voltage fix. Fix 1 is check the power outlet. Plug another device into a same outlet, then if it doesn't work, use a different outlet. Plug the charger back in and see if the LED turns on. Second one is inspect the power cord. Unplug the charger, look for cuts, burn or loose connection on the cord. Replace the charger if the cord is damaged. Third one is clean the battery and charger contact. Remove the battery from the charger, wipe the metal contact with a clean dry cloth, reinsert the battery and check the charging light. Fourth one is let a hot or cold battery reach room temperature. Remove the battery from the charger, then wait 30 to 60 minutes if it is very hot or cold. Try charging it again. Fifth one is test with another battery. Reinsert a different Milwaukee M12 battery. Check if the charger LED light up. If the second battery charger, the original battery may be faulty. Thanks for watching.